The Indozo siblings would like to greet you a very happy birthday. 70 and still rocking it. Wow. This is how we remember you and your family, Uncle Ed. And we were this small when we used to visit you, Auntie Alma, Ate Karen, and Don Don, in your home in Barangay Baan. This is us now. We are grateful to have known someone like you, Uncle Ed. Though we haven't seen each other in a while, you're always close to our hearts. We wish you a fantastic day filled with joy and wonderful moments with your loved ones, Uncle. Happy birthday!
Oh,
Happy 70th birthday!
happy birthday, Pre! Welcome to the Septuagenarian Club.
We miss your family so much.
Uh,
Nindot ang tamuan ha diha pero iba naman ka mga tigulang na.
ayaw yung mga tigulan. Mga bagets pa ta. Ba, Pre, ayaw pagpa-luya-luya na, Pre. Pero may baskog.
Hi, Sir Ed. Happy 7th birthday, 63 years ago. Also, happy 10th anniversary for being a member of the Senior Citizens Club. Norma here, your angel way back Buton plant. Here are my tributes to you. Number 1, you're a good person. We have very good relationship, especially in Buton plant. Also with Ma'am Alma. Number 2, stricto daw ka. Pero dili di ay. Kay barkada naman dahil mo sa inyong mga Pepsi drinking session. Number 3, I enjoy talking with you even for many hours. Kaya gusto niya mga imong HR staff, himantayon or marites na updated sa mga latest mga issues. Personally, let me do this. Pasalamat ko, sir. Nagidala ko ng madiris Cagayan de Oro plant. You allowed me to do various odd jobs requested of me. Number 2, thank you for facilitating Ramon's business venture with the company. It helped us a lot sa educational at needs sa among tulo ka anak. Sa among tulo ka anak nga lalaki nga karon USRN ng isa, lawyer ng isa, o CPA ng akong youngest. Number 3, for being my guardian angel, defense counselor, on issues raised by the opposition bloc in the plant. Daghan pa tana ko istorya, sir, pero base gahulat na si SMB. This is for you, Sir Ed, on your special day. 1 stick of cigarette, 1/2 glass of beer, 125 grams of lechon. Enjoy your day. God bless, Sir Ed.
Happy birthday, Ed. It's your 70th day today. And we wish you good health, joyous and peaceful life, and also more years to celebrate your birthday. With me is Bebs. Greet sa imo.
Happy birthday, Ed! 70th. Happy 70th birthday. Cheers to good health and happiness with your family. Na-miss na namin ang mga good old days natin sa CDO with Alma noon. Saka yung boy at saka yung girl. Kaibigan ni Donna. Sana magkita tayo otro. Hindi mauli mi. Okay, Ed? Bye. Cheers.
Ed, di ami karon sa Minnesota, sa balay ni Karen, kay uban niyang pamilya. Kauban sa namo sa Tunet, kay abot man siya gikan sa North Carolina, diin nagtudo siya.
Manto po mi silang Donna.
Mga po mi sa ilang Donna sa California, o later on siguro kay Army nga to sa Texas.
Duha ka boys na bilhin sa Pilipinas.
Si Eric ug si Christian nasa sa CDO, si Eric nasa Davao sa Cabantian subdivision siguro to, Tabitan. So Naot taon tayo, magkita tag-usab pag makabakasyon po karong siguro og dili karong inapos tuig mga early next year po. So
Okay.
with that, God bless Ed and happy birthday again.
Okay.
Thank you. Salamat kita ta po.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Sir Ed. Mayong gabi. Welcome to my channel. Ay, joke lang. Sir Ed, na-remind ko sa imong anak ba na birthday man din mo ugma July 16. Happy birthday kayo, Sir Ed. Long time no see, Sir Ed. I hope na kita ta soon to getting to know more on this new life na naasa to karon. New adapted change and everything. Ang ako lang ikasulti karon, Sir Ed, sa imo is padayon ka na magmadasigon, padayon ka sa pag higugma sa imong isig ka tawo, o padayon ka magsalig sa Ginoo. Stay away from all those salty foods. As the doctor says, sa atong edad karon daghang nagbawal. Una, again, I encourage you to continue on with your life and trust God. God will surely bless your life. That's all. Thank you and good night.
Hello! Happy birthday, Ed! Congratulations! You've reached this far. Now you're celebrating your 70th birthday. So, happy birthday. May God bless you always and congratulations. You are now celebrating your 70th birthday. So, God bless you more. Stay happy and healthy. And of course, we are so proud of you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ed! 10 years naman din ito nag-celebrate ka sa imong 60th birthday. So, I didn't expect na today mag-70 na day ka. So, anyway, happy birthday from us. I hope you'll be in good health. And siguro kung makabisita ko sa Davao, baka magtawag ko sa imo. By the way, request ko sa imong number kay para at least ma-update ko kung saan ang imong number karon. By the way, na include di tika sa katong mga ex-Pepsi na group. Si man siguro ang diha. Si Pani Apalit. I don't know kung presidente ba siya or member lang. Anyway, Ed, again, happy birthday. Good luck and God bless.
Papa Ed, surprise! Happy birthday! As you celebrate your another year of wisdom and experience, may your days be filled with joy, laughter, and cherished moments with your loved ones. Your presence in our lives is a blessing, and your guidance is a treasure. Cheers to you! Happy 70th birthday!
Hi, Tito Ed. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and long, long life. And ayaw kabala ka kay Jaw kay makikita na kag-apupuhon. And I miss you. Hope magkita-kita tapuhon. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Uncle. Kumusta po? Happy birthday po sa inyo. At wish ko po sana lagi pong good health at sana po magkita po tayo one day ulit and wish you more birthdays to come po. Ingat po palagi, Uncle. God bless po. Bye-bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Papa Eddie. Akong wish sa imo ha is good health o Daghan pang birthday nga moabot sa imuhang kinabuhi. Enjoy! Happy trip to Dubai!
Go!
Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. See you soon.
Kiss.
Happy birthday nung Ed. Wish na ko nga malipayon ka sa pagsaulog sa imong adlong natawhan karon o uban sa imong pamilya. Hinaot nga tagaan pagkagkusog dugang kabaskog sa panglawas. Ug malipayon nga kinabuhi, amping kanunay and more power. God bless.
Hello! Hello, Papa Ed! Happy birthday! Today, mag-70 na jud ka karon. So, dili pa jud ka halata pa na unsa ni 70 sa imong panagway, sa imong pamarog. Gwapo jud ka among papa, white char, white tikal. Mura pa jud ka og kaning 50 down sa imong nawong. Dili halata nga 70 ka na. Buyag ka ayaw mong Papa Ed. Wish lang na ako sa imuha, Papa, is tagaan kag maayo pon lawas perminti o amping permi sa imong biyahe. Kay maora mo dyan na imong ruta, balay, biyahe. So, mo na nga masigimi ko sa imo sa biyahe. Always mag-amping. Mo lang yun na. Then, hinahinahin gamay sa garilyo. Then, unya pa, ano po ka, na ano po may mga andam sa imo, happy birthday, mag-enjoy ka unya, mag-big smile na ka unya, tagayan, magtagay na ta unya.
Hello, my handsome cousin. Kamusta na? Happy birthday, 70 years. Oh my gosh. You don't know how happy I am na nag-approach ako si Karen to give you to send you this video greeting. It is an honor to be in touch with you. Listen, in 2017 when we saw each other during the death of my dad, I really appreciated you helping us out. And I think about you every once in a while. I know that we have not been in touch, but know that you really made an impact in my life. You were the handsomest cousin I've ever had. I'm so proud of you. All of my friends, my crush sa imuha. To this day, guwapo lang manggihapon ka. Anyway, I want you to enjoy the rest of the day and the many more blessings na kauban na imong mga family, ang imong anak, and just hang on tight. God's got you. Happy birthday and cheers to a longer life. Bye.
Hello, Manay Ed. Happy birthday, no. Thank you kaayo sa tanan-tanan, especially for being a father. Namo mga igsuon mo. Wala ako si Papa. Thank you, Noy. Sa mga istorya nato nga dugay kay pamaghuman. Kay kasi balik-balik ato istorya pero still we're enjoying Pamina. Basta I'm always here, Manay Ed. Thank you sa inyong love. Sa inyong pag-carry na mo.
Happy birthday pa. Akong masis na sa imuha. Ang tatagan pagkagmayong panglawas. Ugtas nga kinabuhi. O gunta enjoy kasi mong birthday karon. Happy birthday, Usab. I love you so much. Papa Ed.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Hi, Pa. Happy birthday. First of all, I want to thank God for giving you another year to celebrate life. And today is quite a milestone because you're celebrating your 70th birthday. So, Pa, my wish for you for your birthday,
I wish you, of course, good health. Always and always, yun na. And I always pray to the Lord na to remove grudges from your heart and mind so that you can only entertain peace, calmness, and love in yourself. So, yes pa, gusto ko nga always ka na ay peace of mind para iwas stress. So, this is always the prayer that I'm asking the Lord to give you good health, a peace of mind, a loving heart, which is you are always a loving person. So, as your daughter growing up, I can say that you are the most selfless, the most humble, and the most loving person I have known. So, despite all your successes and all your successes, you remained humble. Grounded jud ka perminti pa. So, I guess I was able to namana na ako sa imo na. So, right now, lunch break na ako. Naghimo lang ko og message. So, yes pa. I want you to always be happy and always remain a loving father to us, me and Don Don. And thank you for all the blessings, and thank you for all the guidance that you have imparted to us. So, yeah, I feel so honored and privileged having you as a father. And growing up again, I cannot remember na nahimong stricto kayo ka sa amoa. In fact, miski nagkabagsak-bagsak na ko, pati pod si Dondon. Miski nagkabagsak-bagsak na mi, dili gyapon ka stricto sa amoa. Moingon lang ka og maningkamot lang sunod na. So you're a very loving and supportive father. So supportive and very cool. So yes, we are so happy to have you as our father, and maybe in another lifetime, or maybe if I am given a chance to be born today, I will still select or I will still choose you to be my father. And I thank God na ikaw ang napili sa Ginoo nga mahimong amahan namo duha ni Dondon. Salamat kay pa. Salamat sa tanan, because God have given you a lot of blessings. So with all those blessings that you have received, you were able to share that to a lot of people. You were able to help a lot of people. And of course, since we, as your children, we are the first recipient of those blessings, because you are a very good provider and you raise us very well. Thank you for that, pa. And I don't know, dili ko kabaloon saon pa pagpasalamat sa imuha pa, kay dako kaayo ang imong nahimo para sa amoa. So I myself, I don't know how to masuklian bitaw pa, pero I guess dili na ako masuklian ang imong kamaayo or sa tanan-tanan ng gihimo sa amo sakripisyo, dili jud na ako masuklian. So again, thank you for loving us. Thank you for loving our mama. Mama Almo is already in heaven, although she's no longer with us now. I know her presence will always be with us. So yes, thank you for loving our mother, and thank you for loving us, your children, and thank you for raising us and giving us a very good life, a well-sheltered, well-provided, and loving, close-knit family. Salamat pa. I love you, and see you soon. There is Abu Dhabi. We will be celebrating Christmas and New Year together. I'm so excited to see you here. So yes, see you. I love you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday pa. Love you.